It's a pretty amazing thing that happened here. The Jews have no dealings with the Samaritans. Jesus meets her on common ground. You're going to put your Jewish lips to my cup? Fast forward, he's staying the weekend. Right? He's staying the weekend. How do we go from we don't even talk to one another to now, hey, you come stay with us. Stay a while. Now listen, this animosity, this hatred between the Jews and Samaritan have been happening for 722 years. And it was resolved over a cup of water and a weekend getaway. If you think about it. And was it difficult? No. And Jesus said in John chapter 4, he said, listen, guys, the harvest is white. People go around here all the time, around the Jewish, the Samaritan dogs, we don't deal with them. But they went through the city and Jesus said, look, people that we've had issues with for hundreds of years are now inviting us to stay. Coming out of their houses saying, hey, we heard you guys are different. That's what we should be. We should be different. We shouldn't latch on to our heritage, our race, or whatever it is, which can sometimes withhold us from reaching out to people. We meet on common grounds. We share a cup. We share a meal. We see that person as, what are the prerequisites for being a Christian again? If you breathe, right? Do you breathe? Well, then you need Jesus. Those are the prerequisites. It doesn't matter what you look like, what your race. It doesn't matter what church you went to. Well, we worship this way. Well, you said, well, then you people are wrong and you've been wrong. That's what Jesus said. Everybody needs Jesus. But one of the ways that we share is by bringing down walls. And it doesn't mean that they didn't give up being Jews, right? They didn't say, okay, well, we're going through Samaria, so what do they wear? How do they talk? We need to talk like them, right? No. They still kept their identity of who God made them. Just like I am here. But the theology came after bringing everybody together. And it's a beautiful thing. It's not difficult. We can deal with this issue in the church, and I think as Christians, that's our job. That's our job.